What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing something a little bit different. I am going to be testing out some recipes from famous slime shops, so I am really excited. Also, happy Easter if you're watching this on the day of upload. It is Easter Sunday. Happy Easter if you celebrate. If you don't celebrate, well then happy Sunday. Right now there is some slime left over in my slime shop, so if you want to go ahead and purchase, I was going to say swipe up, but the link is going to be down in the description box below. It is unicornslime.com, and you can go ahead and shop the slime that is in the shop right now. And we also have a coupon code, use Easter 2019 for 25% off. I am really excited to test out these recipes, so let's get started, shall we? Alrighty, so the first recipe that we're gonna try comes from Slime Obsidian, King of Slime. We are going to make the souffle slime. So you are gonna need to start off with some shaving cream. I unfortunately did not have any shaving cream, so I am gonna go ahead and try to make my own with some shaved gel. And what I'm gonna do is empty that shaved gel in the container and then just go ahead and mix it until it becomes really fluffy. I'm hoping that this isn't gonna like really affect the slime. We shall see. Alrighty, so I mixed that up a bunch and now it looks like we have a bunch of shaving cream, which is perfect. So now I'm gonna go ahead and empty some glue. Now Jacob said to use glue wall and not school glue for this, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna empty this whole bottle. I believe it's 5 ounces of glue wall, and we're gonna go ahead and mix that with our quote unquote shaving cream and see what we get. It's all mixed, it's all creamy, so now it is time to activate the slime. Now, Jacob also mentioned in his video that you don't have to be careful when activating this particular slime because you actually want to over-activate it. So that's perfect because I'm very impatient, so I went ahead and I just dumped some activator in there. I didn't measure or anything, and I'm just kind of mixing it around. I went in with my hands just to kind of feel where it was. It was a little too sticky. I added a little bit more activator, you know, just keep doing that until you get something that's like this. It is very puffy, fluffy, and jiggly, and that's exactly what we want, I think, question mark. So another thing that Jacob did in his video was he actually made it like a two-tone slime so that it has kind of like an ombre effect. So that's exactly what I'm going to do here. As you see, my slime was a little bit sticky still, even though like I added a bunch of activator and like pieces were falling off. I'm not too sure why. I didn't think I saw that in his video, so I'm hoping that it wasn't the shave gel that did it, but we're just gonna roll with it and see what we get. So now I'm adding some purple food coloring to like a third of this slime, and I'm gonna go ahead and color it. Like I said, it was very hard to like mix because pieces were just falling off and it was just very weird. Everything was getting on my hands, but I managed somehow to make it purple. It wasn't perfect, but it was mostly purple, so that's what counts. Alrighty, I have my container here. Jacob said to use a clear 8-ounce container, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do because I'm trying to follow directions and see if this really works, you know? So I just emptied, why do I keep saying emptied? I just put the purple slime in there, and now I'm gonna go ahead and put the blue slime, but you wanna make sure that it's spherical. It is a sphere, and it has like a dome at the top. So I was kind of like, you know, doing that, and then I'm poking the sides down just to make sure that it all goes down, you know, where it's supposed to go, and we get a perfect domed top. Now all that's left to do is leave it overnight and let it sit uncovered and see if it works. It totally worked, but I kind of lied. There's actually another step. What we're gonna do is we're actually gonna cover the top of this with some glitter. So Jacob suggested that you cover it first with some clear glue, so that's what I'm going to do as well. And then I'm gonna go ahead and dump my glitter on there. I don't know how it happened, but that was way too much glitter. Oh my God. The next slime recipe is a gummy slime texture, and it comes from peachybbies, aka Andrea x Andrea. So we are going to go ahead and start off with some clear glue this time, and I'm going to empty that into my bowl. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and add in my scent. This is rainbow sherbet here, and I'm just going to go ahead and add a capful of that into the clear glue, and this is basically what's going to make it a little bit foggy, and it's also going to scent our slime, obviously, because it is a scent. And yeah, it's just really good. I went for like a unicorn type of vibe, and I always like associate rainbow sherbet with unicorns for some reason. It just smells really good, so that is why I did that. You can add lotion. Andrea said that she doesn't add lotion to hers, but I like to add it to mine. I'm not doing it, you know, this time because I'm trying to follow her recipe, but you definitely could if it's not stretchy enough for you, or if you just want to add lotion. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in my food coloring of choice. I'm using the Sky Blue from Maddie Ray's Slime Food Coloring Kit. I was trying to like do half a drop, but it wasn't going in because I wasn't really squeezing it. So I just ended up hitting it against the stick, and it worked. So yeah, you definitely don't want too much food coloring because then it gets dark and doesn't look gummy-like. Now in the video, Andrea actually added the beads before she activated the slime. I don't like to do that just because even if you get good beads, sometimes they do bleed into the slime when that activator hits them. So I'm just going to avoid that altogether and add it in afterwards. So I'm just activating the slime. This is a weaker activator. I believe it is half a teaspoon to 1 cup of water. Half a teaspoon of borax, if I didn't mention that. And yeah, I'm just activating it like normal until it's fully activated and it is not sticky anymore. Once that slime no longer sticks to your container, you can go ahead and take it out to knead it until it is fully good and ready to go. Now you have basically a gummy slime, but I want to make Andrea's gummy slime, her peach ring gummy kind of slime. So I'm going to add in some foam beads, and these are pastel foam beads. They're super cute. Totally give me unicorn vibes, so that is why we're using those. Now all that's left to do is slap this baby into an 8-ounce container, let the foam beads rise, and then the slime is done and we get to play with it. Alrighty y'all, here is the final slime. I think it's so beautiful. I actually wouldn't mind stocking this in the shop and calling it like unicorn gummy or something like that. It's just so cute. I love the pastel beads, and the color of the slime is so cute as well. Alrighty y'all, that was pretty much it for this video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. In the comment section down below, let me know which recipe was your favorite, or if you tried both of these recipes before, or either one of the recipes. I would really like to know how it turned out for you. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!